Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Kishwar Zubair and today I'm gonna talk about Zindagi Gulzar Hai, which is the best Pakistani television series I've seen so far, which is inspired from the Urdu novella of the same name written by Umaira Ahmad, which is the worst book I've read so far. Umaira Ahmad is one of the most popular and widely read Urdu fiction novelist and screenplay writer from Pakistan. Zindagi Gulzar Hai was her very first story and it was originally published in a digest magazine. According to Wikipedia, she wrote this novella in 1998 when she was just 21 years old, and one can clearly see the lack of maturity in her writing and ideologies. Also, the story is set in 1980s Pakistan, and maybe that's why the story is so conservative. This novella was serialized into a popular drama in 2012 and its screenplay is also written by Umaira Ahmad. So it took around 14 years for this book to hit the small screen, and after watching it I realized that Umaira Ahmad has turned into a much better writer over the years, because this drama is like gazillion times better than this book. In this video I'll talk about both the book and the series, and there will be spoilers, so let's get started. The story revolves around Kashaf Murtaza and Zaroon Junaid, who are totally different from each other. They have completely different personalities and mindsets. Kashaf is the average looking girl from a lower middle class family. She had too many responsibilities and problems in her life which made her bitter. She possesses a very negative perception of the world and constantly blames God for not providing her enough. On the other hand, Zaroon is the rich good looking guy who have almost everything in life. They both meet in college and instantly starts hating each other, and the rest of the story is a bit typical how a poor simple girl doesn't get noticed by the rich wealthy guy until he sees her good qualities and realizes that she's perfect for him. It is about how they overcame their animosity and learned to love and respect each other, and it is also about Kashaf's spiritual journey from being angry at Allah to realizing that everything happens for a reason and we must not lose our faith and trust in God. And though the story isn't that bad, the book really was. There were way too many flaws. First of all, the book is just a series of diary entries by Kashaf and Zaroon, so we only get to know about these two characters, and that too not thoroughly. We just learn about their thoughts and opinions on different situations and a little bit of what's happening in their lives. There is no background story, and a few other characters that were present in the book were only slightly mentioned. We only get to hear their names and a little bit about them. They weren't well developed at all. As it's a novella and because it's just 100 or 120 pages long, I find it to be a bit rushed. Everything was happening too quickly. At one point they were in college, then they got jobs, then they got married, और सब कुछ इतना जल्दी जल्दी हो रहा था कि मैं कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रही थी कैरेक्टर्स के साथ, उनकी ज़िंदगी के साथ, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ, और ना ही इन कैरेक्टर्स की प्रॉब्लम्स, स्ट्रगल्स और जर्नी को ठीक तरीके से बयान किया गया है. The book is more focused on Kashaf and Zaroon and their relationship, which I found to be completely toxic. On the contrary, the TV series did a much better job. It was a lot more detailed, had well developed characters and offers more plot background. And though the story of the series was similar to the novella, its plot is quite dissimilar. The series is not just a love story, it's also a social narrative on gender equality and importance of girls' education, and it does so without being boring and preachy. Now let's discuss the characters. Like I said earlier, the book mainly focuses on Kashaf and Zaroon, but they were not at all like the ones we saw in the series. Our leading lady, Kashaf Murtaza, had great potential at the beginning of the story. She is intelligent, hardworking and headstrong, but her personality completely changes after she gets married to Zaroon. She turns into a submissive wife who accepts all kinds of bullshit from her husband, including abuse and violence. And what do I say about Zaroon Junaid, our hero? I mean, that man had all the characters of a villain. He is arrogant, flirt, sexist, misogynist, classist, and a total nutcase. And I am not at all exaggerating, he is mad. He constantly insults women while writing about them in his diary, calling them peace and time pass. And these aren't my words. The authoress, or Zaroon, uses these terms to describe women he used to hang around with. And then he wanted to marry Kashaf, not because he was in love with her, but because she was wife material. She was a career woman who had a flawless character, and that's what he wanted. This is what he told his mother while talking about marriage. मुझे ऐसी लड़की चाहिए जिसका कभी कोई स्कैंडल ना हुआ हो, जिसने मजाक में भी किसी के साथ फ्लर्ट ना किया हो और ना ही किसी ने उसके साथ कोई अफेयर चलाया हो. And then he also said, मेरे अफेयर्स रहे हैं और मैं एक फ्लर्ट हूँ, लेकिन मैं मर्द हूँ, ये कर सकता हूँ। मेरी बीवी मेरे जैसी नहीं होनी चाहिए। मेरी जिंदगी में लाख लड़कियां सही, मगर उसकी जिंदगी में मेरे अलावा कोई और नहीं होना चाहिए। And he said many such stupid things countless times throughout the book. Being a middle class Indian Muslim girl, I am not gonna deny this mentality to be completely untrue. There must be many men around who still thinks like this, but that doesn't mean it is correct. And this shouldn't be romanticized and promoted at all. A man will be held just as accountable for his actions in front of Allah as any woman will be, and he will be punished for his deeds as well. But in this book, Zarun loses nothing, absolutely nothing for his flaws. He barely changes. He learns no hard life lessons. But the authoress seems quite acceptable with this bad attitude and sexist behavior of men. Thankfully, we don't get to see any of this crap in the series. Both the characters were very differently sketched. We got Sanam Saeed as Kashaf Murtaza, and she's my most favorite female protagonist from our TV series. I just love her. And we also got Fawad Khan as Zarun Junaid. And though he is portrayed as a chauvinist and hypocrite, I didn't absolutely hate him. Because we get to learn a lot about these characters, their environment, past traumas, insecurities, and their eventual behaviors. Both the characters change each other's perspective and not personality at the end of this series. There are many other characters as well, and we get to know about their lives and opinions as well. Each and every character is so real, and the chemistry between them is just lovely. I feel connected to each of them. Most of the stupid and disturbing sequences of the novella was either removed or changed in the series, one of them being how Zarun convinced Kashyap for marriage. Also, there was no abuse or violence in the series, but in the book, Zarun literally hit Kashyap twice. He disrespects her and her likes and choices and don't give a damn of her emotions. But what I hated the most about it was Kashyap's acceptance of Zarun's behavior. She literally changes herself to make this crackpot happy. But like I said, we don't get to see any of this weirdness in the series. Kashyap and Zarun shares a beautiful bond, and the show gets very romantic after they get married, and it was all really sweet. Talking about the writing style, I can't comment much as I haven't read that many Urdu books and stories. But when I rewatched this series after reading this novella, I saw an impeccable improvement. The dialogues in the series are just beautiful, while the dialogues in the book made me roll my eyes and pull my hair out of frustration. I literally struggled to finish this book. Yes, there are a few quotes in this book that I liked, but that's it. I won't lie, the show is a bit problematic as well, but it's still one of the most beautiful TV series and the best Pakistani drama I've watched so far. Overall, the book is below average, and the only good thing about it is that it inspired one of my all-time favorite TV series. So if I'll have to suggest just one, obviously I'll highly recommend the TV series. Just watch this drama, there's no need to read this book. I don't think I should speak anymore. This video is getting long, but I can talk about this show forever. So if you have seen it, let's talk about it in the comment section. And if you haven't watched it yet, it's available on YouTube. And if you want to read the book, its audiobook is available on YouTube as well. And it's also available in Hindi on zindagigulzar.com. I'll leave all the links in the description box. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such contents, and I'll see you next time with something new. Till then, take care of yourself and goodbye.